Hey guys, Boaters here. So today we got a 2015 Lexus RCF. This is actually the third time this car's been back for a revamp. First time we did KP Matte Crystalline White. Second time we wrapped in Texas Gold Chrome. So it's back today. We're doing a full print custom job on it this time. Yesterday we went ahead, we stripped off all the gold chrome. We didn't leave the jams. The jams are carbon fiber. I just got this side fully prepped. So we're gonna go ahead and start hanging it up, and you guys get to see how it looks.